Hello, welcome to our channel where we share scientific innovations. Please don't forget to like the video. Scientific production on tourist security in the period 2002 to 2021. Abstract. Tourism security is linked to the well-being, physical, psychological, and economic integrity of visitors, service providers, and members of the host communities, and plays a very important role when people choose a tourist destination. Hence, the need to analyze the scientific production associated with the topic. The present study aims to use bibliometric indicators to review the relevant literature related to tourism security in the period 2002 to 2021. The information and the main trends in this area are represented and mapped using the following software: EndNote, Excel, BibExcel, and VOS Viewer. During the period analyzed, a total of 59 original articles were registered in the Sciency Direct and Cielo databases. The analysis indicates that the literature on tourism safety is growing gradually. However, it is considered insufficient. A total of 26 journals are included in the study, where the journal Estudios y Perspectivas on Turismo is the leader in the field of research, registering 24% of the total published research. As for the keyword analysis, the main lines of productivity are focused on the relationship between security and tourism, destination image, risk perception, public safety, customer satisfaction, and COVID-19. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic is a trigger for the growth of research related to the field of research under analysis. In conclusion, the limitation of this research is that only 2 databases were taken into account, and that through the search strategy used, some works might not have been identified, in addition to the fact that the study can be expanded with the inclusion of other bibliometric indicators. You can use the link I left in the comments to access the journal and the entire article.